2024 has indeed been a great year for airdrops, with the crypto ecosystem seeing as many as 10 airdrops just in the first couple of weeks. So we on our channel have been on a journey to share these airdrops with you and make sure that you claim these airdrops. So in today's video, we are going to share one more airdrop with you, and this one is pretty early, and the chances of you getting an airdrop if you follow these steps mentioned in the video are pretty high. So with that being said, let's jump on straight into this video. Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club. If you're new to this channel, make sure you smash up the like button as well as hit the subscribe button over here. Also, do not forget to join us on our Telegram channel. Link for that is given in the description below. So guys, without further ado, let's jump on straight onto today's video. So in this video, we are going to talk about the Satoshi VM airdrop guide, and it's going to be a massive airdrop. The hype around this is pretty good right now. And the best part is, as I mentioned earlier, we are still very early. So let's first understand what exactly is Satoshi VM. So the Satoshi VM is an upcoming tailored blockchain platform that enhances the layer 2 block verification on the Bitcoin network. Now, it features integration with Ethereum Virtual Machine, that's the EVM, allowing Bitcoin to be used for EVM transactions and fostering asset issuance and application development within the Bitcoin ecosystem. So this is actually a great step towards issuing the layer 2 on Bitcoin and also building certain dApps and applications on the Bitcoin ecosystem. By the way, guys, we have also written a detailed article covering the step-by-step process as to how you can get this airdrop. The link for this article is given on the description below. Also, I'm going to refer to this article multiple times in this video, and let's dive deeper onto how we can actually get this airdrop. So the first step for getting the airdrop is that you need to create a Unisat wallet. Now what you need to do is you need to go to unisat.io. Link is there on your screen right now. So from there, what you need to do is you need to scroll below and you can click on download for Chrome Store. Now once you click over here, you will be taken to the Chrome Store wherein you will be asked to install. Now I have already added Unisat wallet, that's why it is giving me the remove from Chrome option. But if you haven't installed it yet, it will give you a add to Chrome option, and once you add it to Chrome, you will be required to take a backup of the security phrase. So make sure you take the backup of the security phrase as well. Now once you are there, the first action that you need to do on your Unisat wallet is, first of all, you need to provide a password. So you provide a password and you log into the wallet first. Then what you need to do is you can actually go to the settings and change the settings. Now as you can see, this is on LiveNet. So what you can do is you can click and go to the testnet. That is the first action that you need to perform. So once you're there on the testnet, you can see we are there on the testnet activated portion. It is showing. Now once you have actually installed your Unisat wallet, the next action that is required is you need to claim your Bitcoin faucet. Now for that, the link is there in the description below. You can claim your Bitcoin faucet from there. So here what you need to do is you need to actually provide your Bitcoin address. Now for the Bitcoin address, you can again go back to your Unisat wallet and get your Bitcoin address copied right from here. Just copy this address over here and just simply paste this address here. Now once you have pasted it, now you will be able to see that by default this is the value that you will be getting for testnet. But what I strongly recommend is you can refer the maximum that you can actually get. You can get up to this much. So you can claim maximum. So just replace this and you can simply click on send testnet Bitcoin. So once you send it, within a few seconds, this testnet Bitcoins would be sent to your Unisat wallet directly. Now, once you are there on your Unisat wallet, you will be able to see that you have actually received your Bitcoins. Now, the next step is if you need to actually add the Satoshi VM testnet on your MetaMask. So you make sure you have a MetaMask wallet as well. So for example, I have a MetaMask wallet over here. So the first thing that I need to do is I'll need to add this network because it will be by default not added to my MetaMask. Now, how can we add that? Let's take a quick look on that as well. So the first activity that you need to do is you will be requiring to click over here on the left hand corner and you will see multiple chains that are available, right? I have already added for Satoshi VM testnet, but just wanted to show you guys. So you can click on add network and you will be taken to a new page. Then you will be required to put in the RPC URL and several others as well, right? So what you need to do is you need to scroll right at the bottom, add a network manually. You can click over here, provide the name for the network. Let's say I want to provide this Satoshi VM testnet itself. Let me just put it in. Then I just copy these details. The most important part is the RPC URL, guys. So please make sure you copy all of these details correctly. So you provide the RPC URL. So this URL, as is shown, is already used by the same testnet network. So I have already added it. But if you are adding it for the first time, you will not get this error. Then you punch in the chain ID, that is 3110 over here, and the currency symbol, you can put it as BTC. Okay, so now once you have put it, you will be able to simply save this part. Okay, now since I have already added, this is not giving me a save option, otherwise I could have saved it. Now since that I have already saved this and added this network to my MetaMask wallet, the next step that I need to do is I need to go to the sequoiafaucet.com. So let me quickly copy this and open this as well very quickly. So we are on the Sequoia Faucet. Now what I need to do here is I need to first of all sign up. You can sign in either with Google or a single sign-on or by just providing the details. The simplest and the easiest one-click method of actually signing up is through your Google account. So you can simply click on sign in with Google and you will be able to sign up. So in a one click we are able to sign in. It is just asking for a captcha and we are able to log in right now, as you can see here. Now once I am here, what you will be asked to do is actually you will be asked to give your MetaMask wallet address. Now let us copy our MetaMask wallet address first. So we copy our MetaMask wallet address and we paste it over here and we just simply click on send me ETH. Okay, since I have already claimed my ETH, it is saying that we can only send 0.5 Sequoia ETH every 24 hours. Please try again after 24 hours. So you can request this once and it will be reflected in your MetaMask wallet in no time. Probably about 5 to 10 minutes it may take, and it will be reflected directly onto your MetaMask wallet. Now once that is done, next step that you need to do is you need to go to this bridge.satoshivm.io. The link for that is on your screen right now. The first action that you need to do is you need to connect your MetaMask wallet and your Unisat wallet, right? So let me just connect this. So I have connected both of them. Now from here what I need to do is I just simply need to perform certain transactions to and from the Ethereum Sequoia to the Satoshi VM and vice versa, right? So let's say whatever amount I have, I just simply click on max, I just click on deposit, and within a few moments I will be asked to sign or authorize on my MetaMask wallet, and in no time it will actually complete the transactions. So here you will have the confirmation page and within no time your transaction will be sent. This is how easily you can actually perform these activities. It's just a step-by-step process that you need to follow and you will be able to claim your airdrop. Mind you, we are still very early. There are no dApps at the time of recording this video. In the future, if there are any dApps or any DEX that are launched on this network, we will definitely cover that as a part of the video as well. Also, make sure you perform these transactions every day at least 2 to 3 times, so that the number of transactions you do with the system, the higher is the likelihood of getting the airdrops, guys, right? So that's how easily you can interact with the Satoshi VM testnet and be eligible for airdrops in the future. And mind you guys, the hype for this project is slowly building up, and I believe by the time it launches its mainnet, the hype is gonna be pretty big, right? So that's pretty much about this video. If you like this video, make sure you smash up the like button on our page and also subscribe to our YouTube channel and join us on our Telegram net. So thank you so much for joining in. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourselves. Bye bye for now.